Miss Rawi, what do you think draws more Filipinas into freelancing and remote work today?
Um, sa nakikita ko well, let's just be honest. Number one sa yung siyempre yung pay. Aside from the flexibility of being able to work from home, at the moment yung competitive salary na hinahanap siyempre ng ng workers is, honestly, if you compare it, if you work freelance or, full-time working from home as opposed to yung sa corporate na work, um, yung rate is different. Siyempre it depends on what type of work, pero most of the time kasi we are being paid in dollars or other currency, 'di ba? So, 'yan, aside from the flexibility na puwede kang mag-work sa bahay, may time ka para maalagaan mo yung pamilya mo, yung mga anak mo, just keeping it real, may mga jobs talaga na work from home na high paying siya compared, when you work sa corporate na ang dami mo ding gastos like yung transportation. Kasi for example ako, that was one of my considerations, before I resigned. I was working from Laguna to Makati everyday. Siyempre ang laki ng transpo ko. So, isa yun sa mga naging major considerations, major factors why I left my corporate job and started working from home. So, pero dun sa mga married naman or may kids, karamihan din talaga, they want to stay at home and have their career while taking care of their families. So, yung nakikita kong trend today.